What if you could stop chasing clients and start getting invited to jobs instead? In this video, I'll break down the exact Upwork invite strategy that top freelancers use to attract high quality clients and build a consistent income stream. So let's dive in. So the first step we're going to be taking is understanding how the Upwork invite works. Before you optimize yourself for invites, you need to understand how clients find freelancers. Basically, when a client searches on Upwork, they see profiles that actually match their needs. Your goal is to become one of the profiles they actually want to contact first. So, the first thing you need to do is optimize your profile title. So, you could just head into upwork.com, sign into your account, and then click on your profile. Once you've clicked on your profile, let's get through the verification. All right, so once you're on your profile page, your profile title is one of the first things that clients would actually see. A bad example is if you only keep yourself as a freelancer here or a virtual assistant or digital worker. A better example would be something like a video editor and a video creator, or YouTube scriptwriter for tech and software as a service channels, Shopify store designer and conversion specialist, email marketer and expert for e-commerce brands. So how can we improve what is written here? Just click on the pencil icon. Once you've clicked on the pencil icon, go ahead and edit your title. So we could give it something or make it sound a bit more modern and posh. All right, so I went with a tutorial creator for tech, software as a service, and web apps. The more specific your title, the easier it is for clients to actually find you amongst the other options. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click on save. So now we've edited our title as a tutorial video creator. All right, so now the next step is to create a client focused profile, as these are profiles that actually stand out. Most freelancers talk about themselves. High earning freelancers focus on client outcomes. So instead of you saying, I have 5 years worth of experience doing this, you could just click on the pencil icon here and just simply edit this to say something else like, I help businesses increase their conversion rates and generate more revenue. Basically, you just have to polish this up so it highlights your usefulness. So just simply delete this and replace it with whatever would make you stand out. Clients care more about your results than your resume. And then the next step is to build a strong portfolio. So your portfolio is often your deciding factor. So instead of having no results, you should show before and afters for some certain types of portfolios. You should have screenshots. You could also have case studies and sample projects. All you need to do to accomplish this is click on the plus icon here. It's going to load up, and then where we have project title, go ahead and enter project title, enter the role you performed and the project description, as well as the skills and deliverables, and also the related job if it was, available from Upwork, and then also add the content. So if it's going to be images, if it's going to be videos, if it's going to be text blogs, links, PDF files, or audio content, you could just simply enter this here and then click on next to preview it, or you could save yours as drafts. All right, so even if you're new, make sure to do this, as once you create a sample work, it will demonstrate your skills. All right, guys. So the next step is getting your first review fast. So positive reviews improve your visibility and trust, and as such, you should have some reviews on your account. How does this work? Basically, once you accomplish some task, all you need to do is just simply scroll to the bottom of your profile. At the bottom, you'd find your completed jobs, your jobs that are in progress, and your reviews. And just make sure it's good. Just, you could start with smaller projects and then, over deliver, communicate clearly, and meet the deadlines that were set by your employers. Your first few reviews can dramatically increase your future invitations. And also, try to improve your search visibility. To receive more invites, your profile needs to appear in more recent searches. Make sure to include relevant keywords in your description, that is your about. Also, make sure to complete your profile on Upwork and also update your portfolio regularly, as an updated portfolio puts you ahead. And also activate the availability badge so people know you're actually available and ready to work. That is one of the most important things you need as a freelancer on the platform. Think about the exact terms clients would search for when looking for someone with your skills and apply them to your portfolio, apply them to your about. And then the next step after that is just to respond to invitations strategically. So let me give you an example of this. All right, so when you head back to the top of your profile and you click on the drop down that says find work, just click on proposal and offers and you'll be taken over here. All right, so now when we have invites from clients, you receive an invite from a client, you don't need to send a generic reply. You should first acknowledge the project, show some understanding, explain your solution, and include a question. That is how you get your jobs, and that is how you respond to client invites on your proposals. This starts a conversation instead of sounding like a template. So the template doesn't have to work for everyone. You just actually need someone who understands the solutions you provide. And there's no better way of doing that than describing that during your interview. And now the next step is to raise your rates over time. So you can begin charging higher if you're, starting from a good standpoint. Let's say you're making about $4 an hour. You could then move over to something like 8 or something like 10, and that way you get to stand out from the crowd and you have a more unique and hourly or charged fee. As your portfolio and your reviews grow, your pricing should grow as well. And then the next step is to actually focus on long-term clients. If you head into proposals, you would see that most proposals you actually submit don't actually get viewed. And as a result of that, the ones that do get viewed and the jobs you actually land should be people you're looking to work with in the long term. You should also engage your long term clients as they are often more valuable than constantly looking for new ones. Many top freelancers earn most of their incomes from repeat clients. And a piece of advice, always look to grow your portfolio, always look to expand, always look to be a bit different. All right, guys, so the real secret behind high earnings is you need strong skills. You need to have proven results, that samples. You need to have a client retention system, and you also need to have efficient systems as well. Invites create opportunities, but long term success comes from consistently delivering value. And that's the Upwork invite strategy for 2026. Optimize your profile, focus on your results, and build trust over time. The more value you provide, the more opportunities that will come your way. All right, guys. So if this was good, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.